Hello, car.
Surprise! Surprise! Stop! Stop, guys! Shut up, guys! Good morning! Hello, son. There's a one piece of snow I gotta get. Can I make it through the snow? Can I get to work? Oh my. This is a crucial moment. Uh-oh. Might not be able to get out. Yes, get into the paved. Or the plowed. Okay, what's up, guys? We're on our way to work. And hopefully I'll survive. So, yeah, I barely got out of my parking spot, and it is snowtacular. Hooray! And yep, pretty much there is snow everywhere, and we're gonna see if we can make it to work successfully. Okay, so it's 1 week of NOFAP, day 7, and we're going strong. Well, I don't know about y'all, but yeah, I think making these videos is a pretty good motivation. It's like one more reason not to fail is because all these videos will be waste. But yeah, another reason why. Oh, here's a turn. Let's see if we can do this without. Oh my goodness. We did it. Another reason why making these videos is great for NoFap is because I edit them at night, and it always takes me way longer to edit than I think, and I went to bed at like 2:30. But if I'm up that late editing, then I don't even feel temptation. I'm busy. So yeah, that's my pro tip for the day. Stay busy. If you go to the gym or get out of the house or work on a video like me, then you're preoccupied and you won't feel tempted. So it's currently question mark degrees here in Plymouth, Minnesota. But yeah, it's cold. Hopefully I don't randomly slip on black ice and die. So wish me luck. Oh, I'm gonna start eating this apple earlier than last time because I forgot and had to eat it super fast, so I'll go start now. So today I want to talk about YouTubers and who I've watched over all these years and who has inspired me to get back into making YouTube videos. So the first YouTuber I have to mention is White Boy 7th Street. If you don't know him, he's a Call of Duty person. OG back in the day, Ray William Johnson. Smosh back in the day. I recently watched a Smosh video and I was like, man, this is so it's like so immature humor, but back in the day is pretty funny. I used to watch a little Jenna Marbles. She was pretty funny. Epic Rap Battles of History. Shout out Steve-O for showing me that. They're super good, funny rap battle videos with historic people. Tobuscus, Toby Turner. He was a funny dude. I've watched a lot of YouTube people. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna remember everyone. Fluffy Talks from Canada. He's a cool dude. Talked about random news stories, messed up funny news stories, and made fun of them. Expert Village, you guys remember that? You can learn how to be an expert in anything, pretty much. Quality videos from them. I know there's people I've watched a lot of that I just can't even think of right now. But yeah, so personally, I've made over 100 YouTube videos on my old channels. I have about 3 other YouTube channels, not including my music channel. So my first YouTube channel was Mr. Tuffy 22. I was watching a lot of guitar tutorials, and I pretty much learned how to play guitar through YouTube. And eventually I learned enough songs to kind of figure out how to like learn any simple songs by ear. So now I can listen to any pop hit on the radio and be like, oh, give me 5 seconds. Bing, 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 bing. And I can figure out how to play it. So thanks, YouTube. And for some reason, I wanted to make videos of my own, so I had my friend Henry record me in his basement teaching people how to play these songs that I just learned how to play. But back then I was a little tone deaf apparently, or I didn't like try hard enough to get it perfect like I thought it was right. But it wasn't, so I was just teaching people how to play it, and it wasn't even like the right notes. Like, it sounded similar, but looking back on it, it's like, oh, that's like not even right. And then I'd be like, hey guys, this is Lasherman, because I was using my grandma's account back then. So, hey guys, it's Lasherman, and this is how to play A Place for My Head by Linkin Park, or What I've Done by Linkin Park, or some song by 3 Days Grace. And then I'd like start playing it and like mess up 5 times and be like, okay, well that was pretty bad, but here's how to play it because I'm the master and I'm teaching you. And all the comments would be like, this is wrong, you suck, like what is this, like delete your YouTube channel, like. And luckily I never got bothered by the hate comments, because I don't know, I was just doing my thing. And like if people said that my tutorials were wrong, I'd be like, well then go watch actual tutorials if you actually want to learn, because there's like a million. So yeah, I feel like I wanted to talk more about YouTube, but I just got to work and I should go. But I guess I'll continue more about YouTube and my YouTube experience next time. Alright, let's do the... Oh, let's see if... Nope, my sunroof won't open because it's frozen, so... Can you close back all the way? No? Alright. Okay, let's see if I can open the window. Oh, yes. Alright. Oh, snow falling. Alright, animals, are you ready? Here's your food for today. There you go. Enjoy the apples, squirrels, and bunnies, and rabbits, and bunny rabbits, and rabbit bunnies. Okay, but yeah. Alright, my toes are cold. They're wet already, so it's gonna be a good day. And, yes. That's it, folks. I thought it was gonna take a while to get here with the snow, but alright. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 8 of NOFAP. Have a great, what do I say? Have a nice life.